Dongguan Yide Machinery Co. Ltd. Founded in 2008. Exists production workshop 2,000 square meters and more than 50 employees. Including 6 design team members and 10 quality control team members. Since the plant founded more than 10 years, company has been continuously develop and expand. We have fully independent design and production capacity of non-standard automated production lines. And strives to offer the lowest priced solutions for your filling machine requirements. Our range of low-priced filling machines can be adapted to many product filling needs and will save you time and money in labor and time management. Output capabilities are excellent when compared to other types of filling machine systems. We will be pleased to assist you in your search for many types of filling machines and packaging machinery. And have many other types of filling machines, packaging and filling machines, conveying, capping, labeling, coating, sealing and varied manufacturing process machines to suit your needs. The annual output exceeds 2,000 units, of which 1,500 are exported. We have perfect quality assurance system, in the same industry in China. We took the lead through the CE International Quality System certification. Our products sell well in more than 20 provinces and cities nationwide. Also in Western Europe and other countries. Be sure, we will continue to develop more excellent machine to our new and old customer.